In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a signature in Gmail. We'll walk through this together from inside your inbox, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to create and use your own email signature. This is the little block of text that appears automatically at the bottom of your emails, and it can include things like your name, job title, contact details, and even a logo or social links. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to set up the signature. From your inbox, look toward the top left corner and click on the Compose button. This opens a new email window, and this is where you'll access the signature options. Inside the Compose window, look along the bottom row of icons. You'll see options like formatting, attachments, emojis, and toward the right, there's an icon for signatures. It usually looks like a pen on a piece of paper. Click on that Insert Signature icon to open the signature menu. When the menu appears, you'll see any existing signatures if you have them, along with an option called Manage Signatures. Go ahead and click on Manage Signatures. This will take you to the signature settings page, where you can create, edit, or delete your signatures. On the signature settings page, look for a button or link that says Create New. Click on Create New, and a small prompt will appear asking you to name your signature. Choose a clear name, like work signature or personal signature, so you can easily recognize it later. After you type the name, confirm to create it. Once it's created, you'll see a large text box where you can design your signature. Type in your full name, your role or position, and any other details you want to include, such as a website or an alternate contact method. Use the formatting tools to adjust the font style, size, and color so it looks professional and easy to read. If you like, you can also insert an image such as a logo, but keep it simple to avoid clutter. Below the text box, check the options for when this signature should be used. You can set it as the default for new emails, for replies and forwards, or both. When you're happy with everything, save your changes. Now, when you click Compose again, your new signature will automatically appear at the bottom of your message, ready to go.